The Burmese python is native to Southeast Asia, and its population in Florida was first reported in the year 2000. Now, they were brought into the United States for the pet trade. One of the problems with this species is that it feeds on native species. It's time for a quick break in the action. Time for a quick pause in the action. Just a quick reminder for you to subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button, leave me a comment, and share the video with someone in your family or your friend group. And now, back to your regular video. It's not enough that the Burmese python is in South Florida, but they are capable of breeding in Florida. And as you know, they are still breeding in Florida. These snakes are linked to the decline of native species within the Everglades, including raccoons, Virginia possums, bobcats, marsh rabbits, cottontail rabbits, and foxes, and a whole list of other animals. These snakes are not protected by Florida law. The only thing protecting this animal is an anti-cruelty law. State law allows these animals to be captured year-round without a permit or hunting license on 32 managed lands in South Florida. Now, check the laws before you do anything with these snakes, just in case things have changed. Now, these snakes were added to Florida's prohibited species list, meaning you cannot possess them in the state of Florida. In addition, Burmese pythons are listed on the injurious species under the Lacey Act, which prevents them from being imported into the United States. Viewers, I am not going to get into the biology of this animal right now, other than to say that the female can lay up to 100 eggs. Once laid, the mother will incubate her eggs for 6 to 8 weeks, and you should keep in mind that this species does pose a risk to human safety. Now, they can also prey on our pets. One final note before I move on to our next video: these animals cannot be transported alive and must be humanely killed where you find them. It's thought that there might be 100,000 to 300,000 Burmese pythons in Florida. Now, even here in this new land, Burmese pythons do have enemies, including alligators, cottonmouths, some carnivorous mammals, bobcats, and perhaps even some birds eat baby pythons or larger pythons. And now it's time to say see you in the next one.